La engabona khona Malwandle ukuthi i-psycho le. On top of him being a psycho, there is something seriously wrong ngale ndoda is the day la engamfica khona esike ama-wrist wakhe nawe ngani yami ebhizi encela igazi. The shock of my life uthi ngathuka ngafriza ngoma. That is when I realized ukuthi uma ngingaphumi kulobudlelwane ngizofa mina kanye nezingane zami.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka uMalwandle lo Lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zonihambela lekude phezulu.
It's a story time. It's a story time. Lalela indaba zenu ziyangishisa sondela
Malwandle ithi ngixoxela ukuthi mina ngizithola kanjani ngishade neSatanist. And lapho uma ngizithola ngishade neSatanist ilapho ngizitshele khona ukuthi empilweni I have actually been able to stand up for myself for the first time. Lalela indaba zala ekhazi yafundisa kanti ke nawe uma ngabe unendaba odinga ukuthi usixoxele yona ngithole lapha ku Facebook Meaningful Conversations with Zandi Mfeka, ngithole ku TikTok conversations_Zandi Mfeka, Instagram conversations_Zandi Mfeka. Bese ke kuthi uma kuukuthi uprefer ukuthi usendele ivoice note nokuyikona kwenza ukuthi kube lula kunako konke uvere nje uthi voice note 071 941 9417. Right? Good morning. I am shooting this story early in the morning and it's cold. I needed my cup of coffee. Uthi Malwandle ake ngiqale ngikunikeze nje i-background kancane ukuthi ngikhule kanjani ngaphansi kwezimo ezinjani. Malwandle ngikhule ngisidudla esimnyama ugly. I was considered an ugly child. Between mina nosisi wami there were huge differences kwangazi ukuthi asizalwa ndawonye kodwa ke mina babe bathi ubaba wayengikhonze kakhulu ngoba oqala ngangihlakaniphile okwesibili kuthiwa ngangifana nse nesalukazi sasizala ubaba sasiyisidudla sifana nje exactly nami lapha kulowo mzuzu Malwandle usisi wami engimlamayo nokuyiyona i-firstborn and uyazi ukuthi firstborn they are usually deputy parents angithi nokuyiyona deputy parent yala ekhaya and sibabili nje qwaba kuma nobaba sizalelwe nje emshadweni ekhaya le right elifudumele nabazali abakholiweyo abazana noNkulunkulu nendoda strict futhi as much as indoda eyayingizala yayazana noNkulunkulu at the same time kwakuyindoda yomthetho nje eyayiqokothisa ukuthi ayifune umuntu la ekhaya ozoza nengane before time. So hence mina nodadewethu sasinje kwakungazi ukuthi sama twins in a way even though wayemdala kumina ngo2.5 years ngoba yena she was from 1979 and mina ngangowango 1982. Uthi Malwandle ke dadewethu siyathandana naye sifunde esikoleni esisodwa naye and udadewethu ke islender intethe kwi enesisi esithenca emqolo muhle udadewethu akafani neze nami yimi kuphela nje engiyifurumba legwinya elifaka nezibuko and ngaleyo ndlela kwakujwayelekile ukuthi esikoleni ngibe bullied by abanye abantwana. Yakhumbula ke Malwandle ngalezi zikhathi ukuthi uAnn Caroline wayefika in the market so abantwana bayojwayela ukungigcona bangibize ngoAnn Caroline baze baphathe ngisho amabhega empty laba babe rich emakubo mangabe befuna ukungigcona eklasini baphatha ama bags we rice empty enesithombe sika Ann Caroline lesithombe sika Ann Caroline sizodatshula sisike kahle singithi ngiyafika edeskini lami kunanyathiselwe lesi sithombe. So I was constantly bullied by other kids. Malwandle nje just think of it uyakhumbula that Musha area Musha ama-80s nama-70s, they will know what I'm talking about. The 44 gang will know the sitcom AIN starring Esasu Brandy Norwood and Ukim was the fat girl that was usually bullied by other girls and Moisha was that girl who was an activist fighting for bullying and everything like that. Uthi it was that situation for me. So usisi wami mthathe ngokuthi uyena wayeUkim at this point because kwakuyifighter yami yokuqala yokugcina. As a result sasiclose nosisi wami mina ngangithi mangabe kuyilunch esikoleni ngangingaphuma eklasini ngoba ngisaba ukuyobhulishwa ezinye izingane ngaphandle. Into ayenzeka usisi wami wayesuka eklasini lakhe agijime eze kumina and khumbula ke Malwandle ukuthi ngalezi zikhathi ke thina asiyazi indaba yokuphakelwa esikoleni so kwakufanele siphathe lunch. So usisi wami as a deputy parent and my fighter and my protector wayenza sure ukuthi wayenza ilunch ilunch ihlala kuyena bese kuthi mase kuyi lunch time agijima usisi wami eze kumina angithatha ngibambe ngesandla sihambe siyohlala ngaphansi kwesihlahla lapho ke mase sihleli ngaphansi kwesihlahla sidle lunch yethu akhohlwa ke mono khohlwa ke khona oyedwa ozongithinta ngoba even when we were eating wayengicontroller ilunch yayenziwe uyena uthi usisi wami wayehlakaniphile ke nje wayewumntwana owayethanda izinto owayebuka a lot of TV in those times sasingenawo no Google wayebuka a lot of TV so hence she was watching a lot of TV wayewabuka amanye ama sitcoms so waye clued up nangezinto ezazenzeka so wayazi ukuthi ukudla healthy into enjani so ke ngikhula kuleyo situation whereby my sister is controlling my eating habits because angisho I'm a fat teenage girl so she was controlling my habits so she would make sure ukuthi lunch yethu is packed yabo izinto brown sine peanut butter izinto brown ngelinye ngesino cheese and ekhaya ke uthi sasingasokoli ke vele ke kwakumndeni nje all right financially ngelinye ilanga uphatha ama fruits uthi wayengithethisa futhi angikalele ngisho ukudla mangabe sidla athi wena you are going to eat this portion mangabe kwenzekile mhlambe uma ngayizolo especially on a Sunday mangabe uma epheke a 7 color onama veg mhlambe nama salad and things uthi wayephaka ama lunch box abe yi2 eyami ayenze ibe incane uthola ukuthi rest lakho nalincane and malwandle ngangilamba ngifuna ukungasho ukuthi ngangilamba because ngangizithandela ukudla I was a fat girl that doesn't care vele I'm being bullied and if you are being bullied you really don't care about a lot of things anyway you are ugly and fat because people are already seeing and telling you so who cares about what mina ngangizithandela ukudla as a result ngangize ngikufihla ukudla ekamereni lami sasinama camera ahlukene ngangize ngikufihla ukudla ekamereni lami ngaphansi kombhede ngintshontshe izinto efridge ngigijime ngiyifihla ngaphansi kombhede deputy parent ahamba yozitomula lapha izinto zami ngizifihlile umama wayethanda ukubhaka amalwandle ahamba yowanyomula lapha amakhikha mengiwafihlile umama wabhakile ezitsheni akhipha usisi engicontroller engiprotector kangangokuthi usisi wami wayenganqeni ukusakaza impama enganeni engibhulisha esikoleni she had a lot of cases but half the time ama cases akhe were justifiable because wayisuke protector mina and the fact ke that ukuthi ngangingane hlakaniphile remember ngifaka izibuko ngiyilento ehlezi ibheka izincwadi ngiyilento ezithandela ukudla ebuka incwadi kuphela ngendaba nento eningi kangangokuthi malwandle mangabe engena kulawo ma fights usisi wami kwakuye kuvela ukuthi I know ungene kwi fight because ebekavikela mina and all those fights used to happen after school anyway kodwa ke kwakuye kube into nje ke kuthiwa hayi mhlambe lo mntana akagcine exolisile ngoba vele kwakucaca ukuthi it's a bullying and usisi wami bekavikela mina to a point ukuthi ke vele ama case akhona ayengabi nasiqe ngoba vele uvikela nomuntu ohlakaniphile owaziwa nasesikoleni ukuthi uhlakaniphile uthi malwandle ngihlakaniphile esikoleni double number 1 double position 1 makwenzekile nga double position 2 ngiyokhala uyongiduduza mangabe ku position 1 yakhumbula ke ngezikhathi zethu malwandle ukuthi mangabe kusuku lama results kuzophuma ama results esikoleni hayi lento yama 2K manje sekuthiwa bayazibulala bayancengwa bayateketisa umuntu mangabe efailile they have to be protected kuno Popia Act uthi malwandle uyakhumbula uyayazi le ngikhuluma ngayo ngoba nawe you are in the fourth floor uyazi kahle ukuthi kwakuthi ngosuku lokugcina okuphuma ngala sithola ngala ama results esikoleni igrade negrade per school kushiwo from igrade encane up to igrade enkulu kushiwo from the start to finish whereby kuzobiza position 1 up to position 10 babimiswe lapha ngaphambili bashayile izandla sometimes niphiwe ngisho nama gifts mangabe ku December uthi kwakuyi that situation and uthi usisi wami naye wayehlakaniphile kodwa wayengahlakaniphanga njengami ngoba yena wayengabenzi opposition up to 5 kodwa he was an above average student uthi usisi wami ngangithi mase ngiphasile kahle ke ngaba opposition 1 agijima ngiqukule ngifethi nginjalo wayenamandla uthi ngifethi nginjalo afika ngiqukule around nami angihaka agijima ayongibeka stage and uthi wayeyigaga usisi wami wayemuntu gifted artistry wise wayecula vele na kwi assembly ke esikoleni special sesifunde high school kwakaziwa nje ukuthi uyena oqala amaculo esikoleni kwi assembly uthi mase kufikile sekumiwe lapha nothisha even sebeyamazi futhi bayamiyeka bese ngu number 1 ke bese ke ayaqala iculo ke kucule vele kwakunjalo ke ezikoleni zethu kudala ke bese kubizwa number 1 nje kuyabhiyoza ukuthi baqoqode bonke emakhandi ned le sihlakaniphile lo uthi aqala iculo kusisi wami uyobhiyoza uyojive uyovitshoza uthi usisi wami wayemuhle ihlakaniphile nje enobu artist kuyena and futhi wayemodela Uthi-ke mase kufika lezi zikhathi-ke esikoleni zokuthi-ke kukhethwa abamodelayo and everything, mina ngangihleze ngithizwa ukuthi hhayi-ke bazo-represent u-grade bani, abazo-represent u-grade bani, uthi kuhleze kuyileyo nto-ke well ngezikhathi standard-ke shema ama-grade asiwazi. Uthi uzo-represent u-standard bani, ukuthi ngihleze ngigcolwa-ke mina ngihleka. Uthi nalapho wayengikhulumela ngidifenda, uthi Malwandle, you know ukuthi kuleya era yethu entertainment, the best form of entertainment that we used to have in the township nasezindaweni la sihlala khona kwakama-concert. Into nje eyayibungaza ukudlula yonke ngoku-attend uMiss Bani, kuthiwa siya kuMiss Bani, lapho kuMiss Bani mekuyokhetha uMiss Bani mhlampe uMiss, let me make an example, mhlampe uMiss Durban, something like that, kodwa kusuke kuyigama le-area-ke, lapho khona bazobe becula, khona bazobe beshaya amahlaya, khona bazobe beshaya, yabona, different things, umuntu uzobe showcase ithalente lakhe. Mina-ke Nkosi yami ngangisuke ngiphelezela usisi ngimphathele isikhwama sakhe esine-makeup and everything, because remember ukuthi ngithe wayele ngane eyayazi izinto already, wayese-understand ama-makeup and umama emthengela because phela wayemodela and everything, nama-crocs akhe and everything. So ngiphethe lezi zikhwama ze-makeup ngigadele lezi zinto because angenzi lutho, noma bengigcona ukuthi hayi wena fanele wenza ukuthi usisi wami angikhulumele up to a point la waze wangifundisa khona ngisho ukudansa, just a few dance moves. Uthi noma bengigcona abanye abantwana, hayi ukwazi ngisho ukudansa wena wenzani nje, uphelezele nje, uphethe iy'khwama kuphela. Uthi hayi awubakhombise ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani ukuthi eshe imdansa yangalezo zikhathi, ukuthi hhayi-ke nami-ke ngenze-ke Nkosi yami. Uthi nje he was just my number one defender engilwela in everything and anything. Uthi Malwandle sikhule-ke siyafunda sesike high school-ke manje. Mase sike high school kucace-ke vele ukuthi vele usisi wami uzophuma kuqala kwi-system because umdala kunami. So at this time wenza standard 12, mina ngaleso sikhathi I'm still doing grade 10 ngoba angithi they are 2 years apart. Ngenza standard grade 10. Uthi ngikuphasa kahle grade 10 wami nosisi awuphasa grade 12 wakhe. Uthi I don't know whether ukuthatha kwakhe i-gap year was intentional or vele wayefuna ukuthatha i-gap year. Ngoba uthi Malwandle ngiyakhumbula ukuthi usisi wami ngathi mase ngenza grade 11 usisi wami wathatha i-gap year. Uma kathatha i-gap year wayesebenza ukuphelezela mina esikoleni angilande, wayesebenza nje ukugadana nami makuphuma isikole uye mpe, usekahambile useke esikoleni sekamile egate-ini. Uthi engivikela Nkosi yami uSdade Mntakamasi thandana kangangokuthi even ngoba phela uyazi ukuthi umuntu oyisidudla makadishi uthi angiphathele ibag Nkosi yami lapha ama-exercise amaka grade 11 aseyasinda. Akhumbula lezi zikhathi ukuthi standard 9 is the hardest class. Angiphathele ama-exercise masifike ekhaya ngenze i-homework angiwashela ishethi. Uthi engithanda engidodosa vele ngilasibhone kubo ngiyiqanjana nje, uyangithanda siyathandana se-right. Uthi Malwandle la konakala mase ngenza grade 12. And mase ngenza grade 12 now usisi sekathole isikole sekufanele aqala i-teaching ngalozo zikhathi-ke uyazi-ke Malwandle ukuthi ama-teaching colleges-ke nje wawuthi uma ulandwe ekhaya mangabe ube nenhlanhla kwakhona la amabhasari ayikhishwa uhulumeni, wawuthi uma ube nenhlanhla nje uvele uthi uma ulandwa vele so unebhasari na everything nje, so uphekhe iy'mpahla zakho wena so uyahamba uyaka-teaching. Uthi usisi wami kwaba nalo nhlanhla ngoba vele wayephase kahle ngaleza zikhathi-ke, wawuthi uma uphase kahle-ke kube ukuthi uphase ngobani ngabo kuyaphezulu, kusho ukuthi uphase ngabo distinction. So uthi kube yileyo situation-ke ukuthi-ke manje sengizoba ngedwa and now I have to start to learn to live life on my own because lo muntu ebekahle zangivikela akasekho phambi kwami. Uthi Malwandle ngikutshelile yini ukuthi usisi wami ngendlela ayengivikela ngakhona wayengivikela even ngisho kwi-situation yokuthi mangabe kukhulunywa ngemjolo because ngangihleze ngumsila wakhe mina everywhere she goes, and at the time wayesebona yena yabo eseqalile ukubabona abafana but wayengajoli into serious phela ngoba ngalezi zikhathi kwakusabeka ukujoli into serious lapho nobaba strict. So kwakuyiloko nje phela ukuthi umfana loyo babhalelana izincwadi afika athi mncwa ahambe. At that point nami bakhona abafana abangidlalisayo kodwa wayenza sure ukuthi abafana bebengidlalisa angithethise athi yey wena lo mfana is not good for you, kwathini mangabe usuqala nje usufuna ukuqoma fanele uqoma umfana okanje. Wayengicontrola to that point ukuthi even ngisho abafana wayengihlalisa phansi angitshela ukuthi kufanele ngiqoma umfana onjani, kufanele ngingamqomo onjani. Lama characteristics usisi uyena owaziyo ngoba ngithi uyena who's watching a lot of TV, who knows about umjolo obuka ama high school musical la kunengane zama teenagers eziqomileyo khona. So it's that situation. uthi bonakala ke emalwandle uma esehambile mina ngenza ugrade 12 yena sekahambile seyoqala ebani college yaka teaching. Uthi mangabe sehambile ke emalwandle, now the hardest time of my life I have to start to fend on myself. People are going to bully me, I don't have anyone to protect me. People are going to say whatever they want to say to me, I don't have anyone to protect me. So now it's for the very first time ku 12 years ukufunda sengiqala ukufunda ukuzimela on my own, because even ngisho nangesikhathi sisebancane i-high school ne-primary sasifunda kuyona kwakuhlukaniswe uthango nje kuphela. Ngesikhathi ngisafunda e-primary wayequthango lo muntu ahambe eze kumina azohlala nami angivikela ngilwele. Ngesikhathi sengijombile nami sengequthango sengingapha e-high school is there now, is protecting me. Shaya insimbi ye-break is right in front of my class door, is making sure ukuthi I'm safe, is making sure ukuthi nobody udlalela ngakumina. That was the toughest time of my life. Now I have to defend myself. I have to learn to do things on my own. One thing that I just decided, the best thing that I need to do is just to bury myself in my books. And at this time, I am eating like nobody's business. Akasekho umuntu ongibhekile manje ongigadayo ukuthi ngidla ini kanjani. Uthi ngakhuluphala amalwandle ngaba isidudla, and as ngikhuluphala ngiba isidudla I became worse in being ugly. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh. It's just that we were laughing about it. Ngesikhathi siyikhuluma le ndaba because ungifonelile, so she asked me ngicela ukufonela ngixoxe isikhulumi. We were laughing about it because there is something that she said that made me realize how important it is to embrace your ugly time era. How much important it is to embrace the times in your life whereby people think you are not worth of whatever that they think that is in competition at the time. So uTmalwandle ukuba ugly kwami kwangivikela ke ebafaneni mina ngoba abafana babengangifuni. Uthi ngangijoke ukuthi people will bet about me ukuthi sobona ukuthi ubani ozoshela uzibani uthi ngiyileyo nto nje ihlaka kanjalo. So I decided to let me bury myself in my books because boys don't like me, nami angibafuni futhi abafana ngoba vele bangibona ukuthi ngimubi, akasekho nomuntu ongivikelayo and uthi Malwandle ke siqhubeka isikhathi ngokuphasa umatric wami, mangiphasa nginqashe nami ngiphase ngamalengiso uno distinction la M onama stars. So sekufanele ke manje ngiqale ngiyofunda impilo on my own. Uthi ngi-applyile ke endaweni lapha engizoya kufunda khona, usisi ubusy ngapha e-teaching college, sibonana ngama-holiday siyakhumbulana. Ama-phones at those times, ama-cell phones, people will remember ukuthi in the early 90s nje ama-cell phones into ebekade singayazi bekuyinto abantu abebenawo, abantu who could really like afford, kwaku-expensive ukuba ne-phone. So siyakhuluma mangabe efonile because ekhaya kune-phone endlini, makafonile kwi-phone leya yasendlini ke siyaxoxa ke, maka-free ke siyakhumbulana kunjeya ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi nami ngi-applyile ke ngifuna ukuyokwenza i-nursing, ukuthi ngi-apply ngithathwe ka-nursing, ngithathe eNgwelezana Hospital bangithathe nami the following yeke sengiyahamba ngiyokwenza i-nursing yami. Uthi lapho ke Malwandle impilo yaqala khona ukushintsha ngempela ngoba lapha sasisebenza kwakubusy. And nami ke manje the fact that ukuthi ngika-nursing, I am realizing ukuthi ukuba isidudla kunomthelelo omningi kangakanani empilweni yomuntu. And now I do no longer need to be defended or to be reminded ukuthi I need to do something to lose weight. Uthi that was the days ke Malwandle where I started to focus on my health. That was the days I started to checking my BP constantly, checking my cholesterol and making sure ukuthi ngiya exercise. I reduced the way I used to eat. Ngayireduce even ngisho nasekhaya uma wayenomkhuba uthi ngoba uma ngabe esho ukuthi eNgwelezana Hospital ke la e-trainer khona kwangekho kude nakubo. Uthi uma wayenomkhuba ubhakabha ngoba phela wazi umama ukuthi ingane yakhe eyifindi ithanda ukudla fanele ahlala ispoil. Uthi nini uma ngivele ngimbone ethi gqinge weekend uphethe imibhaka eminandi, uphethe into ezimnandi, uphethe ukudla ngoba ungazi ukuthi ngile ngane ethanda ukudla angithi. Uthi at first ngangisaba ukumphoxa because it was a gesture of being a parent, caring. Kodwa later on ngakhona ukuhlala phansi noma ngimtshela ma I've realized ukuthi ukuba fat njengoba ngika health nje, I've realized ukuthi ukuba fat akuyona into elungileyo. So ngicela ungabusangilethela ukudla okungaka. I've changed my eating habits, ngiyagijima manje and everything. Uthi-ke lapho-ke sengiqala nokubonakala nami ukuthi ngiyintombazane phela, ngikaNesingi, sengila nami ngizibhekile. Uthi ngaqala amalwandle ngehle emzimbeni, uthi yazi uma ngiqala ngehle emzimbeni, kwabonakala nokuthi izinqa zingakephi, kwabonakala nokuthi isitho singakephi. Uthi ihlathi imalande zaqala zamolda kahle, ngabukeka njengentombazane. Ngayeka nje ukuba ifindo liwu-round, isisu sibheka phambili, izinqa zibheka emva ngathi nguSarah Baartman, awazi Hottentotte ephuthuma. Uthi ngaqala ngabukeka njengomuntu nami at that time phela nami ngigcoba ama-cosmetics lawo zakwethu la sikaNesingi, healthcare, skin care, uyabona siyilezo zinto ezizibhekile. Uthi unyaka wokuqala amalwandle wathi phela ngangibonakala ukuthi hayi bo, umuntu lo, intombi le yakwabe, mashudula wentombi yakwabe esho ngesicinqo esingangaya, and lapho sengiyatraina and I'm making sure ukuthi sisami sithi nca emqolo. Uthi hayi-ke emalwandle ngaqala ngabukeka njengomuntu-ke nami, ngaqala-ke nami ukubona abafana-ke manje, and for the very first time ngibona abafana, ngizibonela ngamehlo ami, hhayi ngamehlo kasisi wami ukuthi uzongitshela ukuthi o-right onjani, ongekho right onjani. Malwandle, uthi ngithi malwandle akophuze ikhofi uthathe ibreak uye ku-part 2 ngoba asikakoqedi. Ngibona abafana manje, and futhi njengamanje ngibona umfana khona la eNursing College. Right? Asambeni seku-part 2 ngoba angifuni ukuthi ize iye yokushaya kwi-hour le ndaba, kodwa ngilandele seku-part 2 nale.